Hi, this is Professor Donald Sloan, and I'm the coordinator of the Music Theory and Musicianship program at Coastal Carolina University. Welcome. We want to make sure that all of our incoming music students are prepared for their work here, and because we have no barrier exam or remedial music theory course, we're providing a lot of supplemental materials to make sure that everyone starts off on the same footing. We find that even though people come from different backgrounds, the better grounding they have in fundamentals, the easier it is for them to get through the theory sequence. And the less they have, the more they find that they're scrambling to catch up through the entire 4-semester sequence. So therefore, what we've done is we've made a whole set of videos that allow you to get started in every area of fundamentals where we want you to have at least a little bit of knowledge. And these videos are posted on the music department website, along with instructions on what we expect when you come in. Now, this is advisory. We're not going to kick you out if you don't do this, but we would really like you to at least try to get a little bit of this. Some of this will be familiar to you already. For instance, if you're a high voice or if you play a treble clef instrument, you probably already read treble clef, but maybe you don't read bass clef. Likewise, if you're a low brass player or a bass or baritone singer, then maybe you only read bass clef and not treble clef. And that's one example of the things that we want you to get caught up with. So in addition to these videos, we're going to recommend a third-party website and mobile device apps that you can use to brush up, practice, and assess how you're doing. In the end, we want you to come to a certain level starting off in the theory sequence when the fall semester begins, and we're here to help you with this. In addition to the software, I'm also available to consult with you one-on-one, and we'll have information on the website on how you get hold of me, and we can schedule a session if you need it. We are very much invested in your success in all aspects of the program, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye for now.